Good morning, friends. Today we will be talking about some of the free courses which is offered by one of the leading consultancy company, Accenture. Now, Accenture has brought in 8 free courses on digital skills, and most of the courses are of 2 to 3 weeks, and you have to spend 1 to 2 hours per week, and they are most relevant and contemporary courses. Like first of the course is on digital skills for work and life. And if we go into detail of this, you will come to know about the things which they are teaching. Okay, and I've got the details like what is meaning of digital, how can you integrate digital in your life, growth of mindset, and you can also see that it is available now. What are the requirements? Who is the educator? All the educators are very reputed, very experienced, who have already been working in the industry for a while. So I'll recommend that whatever courses out of 8 you like and have passion for, you must go in for. The other thing which is emerging these days is artificial intelligence. So you can go for a course on artificial intelligence, which again is available now. So this course also will introduce you to the artificial intelligence and how artificial intelligence is impacting. How can you adapt your skills to work with the artificial intelligence? Moving on to the third course, which is again another emerging area, which is digital marketing. Digital marketing again is introducing you to some of the latest concepts of digital marketing, pay-per-click advertising, search engine optimization, and email marketing. And again, the educator is experienced for around 10 years with Accenture Analytics across Europe. So a very reputed and experienced educator. Another upcoming area is mobile. This course again is available now, and all the things related to mobility and mobility in practice is being talked of in this course. So again, another useful course. Thanks to Accenture for corporate social responsibility that they are giving these courses free of cost. Another is retail, especially about online retail. This is a 3 weeks course, and the contents include retail in digital age, power of customer data, retail in connected world, automation, and how AI and retail are connected, and how will it impact the future of retail is being talked of in this course. Then another upcoming area, social media. Most of the students are aware how social media is revolutionizing everything. So social media channels and social media listening is something where they have been talking about. So another very updated and contemporary course. Then these days, most of the websites and online businesses are talking about user experience and how to improve user experience, and this is the course which is talking about user experience and user journey and types of user testing. So another 3-week course. If you want to build up your career in digital marketing, I would recommend that go in for the Maxim courses. And another important thing in digital is analytics, and they will talk about analytics and how analytics can help, and they will also talk about how to start using Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a free software. So though it is your choice, but I'll recommend that most of you should go for maximum number of courses. As of now, most of you have been sitting in the lockdown, so please take advantage of this situation. And in case you want to further listen to such free and nominal resources available for education online, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is Girish Taneja talking to you.